Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix images not showing in Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Look, in my Google Chrome I have opened a website and here images is not showing in my Google Chrome browser. I am reloading again. The same thing, the page is reloading but images cannot show in my Google Chrome. Now I am going to try with another browser. I am going to open Microsoft Edge. Look, in Edge all images are showing properly here. I am refreshing. Look, images are showing here properly. Okay, now close Microsoft Edge. Here in Google Chrome, images are not showing. Now, to fix this issue, click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Now, click on Settings. Click on Privacy and Security on left pane. Now, scroll down. Click on Site Settings. Again, scroll down. Here under Content, you will find Images. Click on Images. Look, the default behavior. You will find two options here. Sites can show images and another one is don't allow sites to show images. Now don't allow sites to show images is selected. Just click here to select sites can show images. Close these settings and reload the browser. And look, my problem has been solved. Now site can show its images properly. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.